photovoltaic system still operate during a grid outage?
No, as I said, grid-tie photovoltaic inverters need source that delivers the voltage and frequency reference, such as the electrical grid. They are not designed to operate off-grid. In case of grid outage, the solar inverters disconnect rapidly as the voltage in the electrical installation goes outside of the specified limits. The electrical installation is no longer supplied. This fast disconnection, less than 1 cycle, of the grid-tie photovoltaic inverters also guarantees that the inverters do not inject power into the grid, which is essential for the safety of utility workers.